Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're making smash burgers and we're starting with the toppings. Okay? The reason we're starting with the toppings is because once we get there, the burger's going to go so fast that you're not going to have time for any of this crap. So prep your toppings. Prep them. Okay, so I'm going to start by cutting up my tomato. In general, I like this vegetable cleaver for hothouse tomatoes just because it's easier to see the line of where each slice is. But, you know, whatever. You could use a mandolin, you can use a regular chef's knife, whatever. Okay, then go ahead and shred your lettuce. And then we just shred. Okay, we're committing sacrilege against the burger gods because I'm out of pickles. I thought I had pickles, but what can you do? Now, I'm making little balls. Okay, I'm aiming for 2.5 ounces. I'm aiming for 2.5 ounces. Cheese on deck. Salt, pepper, so first I'm gonna butter up my bun, give my cast iron a little time to get it together. Now we're gonna toast up our buns. The reason we're using our flat top and not our cast iron is that the cast iron, usually I don't have enough surface area. You can do it and it'll work fine, but it's going to be crowded, and you'll see in a second, but the crowding is going to make it harder to make sure that you got both layers and whatnot, so it's a whole thing. Now for special equipment, you can just have a spatula, and I bought this burger weight. And we might need this razor. We'll see. It's a paint scraper. The first time I did this, I used a trowel. No, I am not kidding about the trowel. I went to the hardware store. I bought a trowel. These buns are going to be a little complicated because they are still gluten-free. But we'll see. Okay. Face down. Face down. Fan on. Sorry about the fan on. Parchment, help avoid stickage. Okay, prep your bun. Lettuce. Reasonably sliced tomato. Yep. So you're better off with the razor, because that's how you get all the little crunchy bits. See how if you don't use the razor, you wind up leaving all this good stuff behind? Cheese will fix it. Okay. Stick it on your burger. Now ideally, you start this with the fan on and you do it fast enough that you don't set off every fire alarm in the place. I do find that using the flat top increases smoke, but it also gives me way better crystal. Okay. Anyway. Yes, I caused a little ruckus. But look at this burger. I'm gonna eat this and hopefully stop the smoke alarm from going off everywhere. Like, subscribe, click that little bell, and I'll see you next time.